G'day and welcome to CROC. This is a 3D model of a HQ Monaro I drew up. I've been learning Blender since the start of the year and it is a very steep learning curve. This model lacks a bit of detail in my opinion, but I get better as I go, as you'll see in the with the convertible version at the end of the video. So let's get on to 3D printing. These are my printers set up to make the Monaro. It took just over a week to make this thing in a lot of pieces. New mascot. It's time to mold the front nose cone of this thing. With this bump here, I have to pretty much go to there across. So it's going to be a very short nose cone mold, which is fine. So after that's done, I'll do the back. This has got the same deal, very short. I could probably diagonal it a little bit. Very short back piece, and then split over the top where the CROC is. There'll be two side pieces. Then when I do the convertible, I have to be a 5-piece, just like the 55 Chev. It'll be split along the side. That way the top part will come out in one go. My lovely wife made that for me. He's my new mascot. So it's time to make the flange wall for the front. So I'm using core flute or signboard, whatever you like to call it. It's cheap, it's from Bunnings, and a heap of cheap Play-Doh. Cheaper the better in my opinion, because it has less water in it. Now I'm going to use my favourite sticky tape to go around the flange to protect the Play-Doh and fill in any gaps between the signboard and the Play-Doh. I got my flange wall made, protected the rest of it. I didn't do that last time I made a mold and I had to scrape a bunch of resin splatter off, so I don't want to do that again. So I'm going to do something a little different, because this is 2-pack paint. It's strong stuff, but it's only been on there for like a week. So I've heard through some of the social media groups I'm in that if you put PVA, then wax, then PVA, you shouldn't have any release issues. So I'm going to try that. There it is with the final coat of PVA. Ready for some gel coat. Just like that, first piece of the mold is complete. Now, I'm going to crack on with the rest of it and show you when it's finished. And just like that, the mold is done. Let's see how it turned out. There we have it, HQ Monaro. They made these from 1971 to 74, and they are awesome. Now, you know there's something up with this, because this was white, wasn't it? Here it is. I had some issues. So the paint flared up, you see that? So I just put sticky tape over it, which left me all these marks. Alright, and this is the piece of mould that all the marks are in. So I made this piece, made a body, this one over here. It's not in the bin, it's just sitting on the bin. It's still fine, it's still good. So did the body work on that, smoothed it out, polished it up a little bit, and then created that piece, which is damn near perfect now. So there's always ways around things. It's just took a little longer than expected, that's all. Yeah, this side came out perfect. The issue with this side was I put too much gel on and it pre-released, so there's a big air bubble back here. So I had to peel it all off. And in doing that, I damaged some of the paint without realizing. So I sprayed another lot of gel coat on and I saw it all wrinkling up on me, mainly here. So what's going on here? So I peeled that off and then discovered all the paint underneath had fried up on me. So I've chucked sticky tape, you can see it there. Sticky tape on all that, and that gave me that result. This side did it perfect first try, and yeah, came out great. So that is my very first car that I've designed, 3D modeled, 3D printed, body worked. I didn't paint it, but I got it close, and then molded. That is 100% mine, and I am real happy with it. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next one.